Hey guys, once again welcome back to Craftastic Forever, and today I've got a really different thing for you guys. So today I'm not doing any arts and crafts, but I'm gonna review my own video, which apparently got 8,000 likes, which was one of my first videos which I started to put when I started my own new YouTube channel. So I hope you check this video out if you get time. But today we're gonna review this same video, and let's see if it's actually worth those 1,000 views. So let's see. As you can see by its new name, which I almost forgot, Creativity in You. So today I'm gonna unbox a really special item, which is well, I did put a lot of voices, and I did try a lot of extra effects which I don't even remember right now. This video is actually a year long ago. If you want to check this video out, do check it out in my channel in the popular uploads. So I do have this art kit right now as well. I still have it right now, and I do use it quite a few times. And I did get this here art kit when it was my birthday. It was like my 13th birthday, I guess. So yeah, I did get it last year. And one of you guys did ask me the price in the comments down in the section. So I'm also going to tell you right now, the price is, if you're wondering, about from 300 rupees to 400 rupees in India. And I bought this online from Amazon. You can also get it from Flipkart. And this art kit is really actually very reliable and really cool if you want to do an art, and if you want an arts and craft kit, and if you're like a minor or a teenage girl like me. But it's not really the best, but it's okay kind of craft kit for kids, that is. But if you're a professional and you need a really nice nail kit, do take a real craft or nail art kit, which is more for adults than teenage and children. Also, the winner, it also says in this video, the winner of the singing contest, which I did hold a few months ago. Who is actually, if you do want to know a secret, who is actually one of my first viewers. She used to watch, or he used to watch my videos at the start from the first. So I do want to thank Roblox Clever Girl that she did watch my videos from the start of my channel and helped me and supported me as well. So this was my review of my my YouTube channel. As you can see, there are a lot more videos to explore and discover. Do check out the about section if you want to know more about my channel right here and myself. So please do subscribe to my channel. Stay creative and stay sweet. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.